My name is Emma. I like to make vlogs. I like to show my face and dance like a chicken. I like to climb things and dance in my snuggie. I also like to jump off of things for you. EMAYvlogs.
Getting out of here, so stick around for that. Enjoy the second half, you guys, and I will see you after the fireworks show.
Hi.
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber, right? Emma.
No. Good job, good job. Who's your second?
My second favorite, also
Good job. I know, but really.
I don't know. I like Vlog Brothers. Vlog Brothers.
What are they called? Like Nerd Unites or whatever?
Oh, Nerd Fighters.
Nerd Fighters, yeah.
And also, one of them has a really cute baby.
Ooh.
Ew. Wait, what does that
People
sound?
What do you mean, ooh?
Yeah, am I like attracted to the baby?
I don't know, are you?
No.
You can do whatever you want, girl. It's a good idea.
Yeah.
You're so smart. Instead of Kayla buying a T-Rex, it should be called Kayla's so smart.
Kayla's so smart.
Kayla's
You have one new
the
message
smartest.
from George Weasley.
Oh, open it. Let's see what George said.
How do you open? View?
Yes. Happy 4th, you too. To you too. Oh, that's sweet, George Weasley. Thank you.
Who's George Weasley?
George Weasley.
Oh, okay.
I'm not kidding.
Is he the dead one?
Yeah. Water, I'm a nerd. Poser. Someone likes the camera.
Did you just say pose?
No, I said I'm a poser. And they're just like, okay. You can be in it if you want.
I thought you said pose.
Someone's a little self-conceited.